Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to install our IDE for our Java journey and we'll be running our first Java program. So the IDE which we are going to use for our Java learning is basically IntelliJ IDEA. There are other IDE available in the market like Spring Tool Suite and Eclipse which we can use for our Java learning. So in this series we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA for our day-to-day learnings. So let's get started. So to download IntelliJ, just open a browser of your choice and type IntelliJ download. Click on the first link to download IntelliJ IDEA. So you will be redirected to official JetBeans website. So from where you can download your IntelliJ IDEA. If you are using Mac OS, you can download it from here. If you are using Windows, you can click on here and download the zip file or exe file. So I have already installed it in my system. So let's open it. So here we are going to create our first Java program and see like how we are running it. So click on new project, click on Java, new Java first project and type create. So this will create your project with all the necessary setup. So I have chosen here Maven so you can see the other files. So we can discuss this later in detail. So now let's create our first Java program. So click on new Java class. Let's say give the class name as hello world and hit enter. So here our first Java class is created. So the class name will always start from a capital letter in Java, and let's create a main method. So this is our main method, public static void main. So the execution of your program starts from the main method. So basically this is the starting point of your program. So let's print write some statement and see uh, how we can run our program. So I have given just a basic statement that is hello world, uh, and let's see how we run it. Right click on this, click on run, and here you can see the output as hello world. So this is all about our first Java program. So this is how we can run our Java program. Thank you.